The government's January 31st cattle inventory report showed a continued decline in our nation's herd, but also hinted that rebuilding may be starting. The annual report indicates that the total number of cattle and calves is down close to 2% from 1 year ago. That is the smallest total U.S. cattle herd since 1951. Meanwhile, the beef cow herd is the smallest since 1962. Evidence that herd rebuilding may be getting underway came in the inventory number for beef replacement heifers. That indicator was up 1.7%.